Hey everyone, and welcome to Road to 500,000 Miles. I'm Chris, and this is my 2023 Toyota 4Runner 40th Anniversary Edition. And I'm gonna drive this thing for 500,000 miles with hopefully no major repairs. So if you think I can do it, please let me know below. I could use the encouragement. I think it's possible. I'll explain why in a later video. I'm gonna do my best to video all my experiences with this, the good, the bad, the ugly, the embarrassing, which there's already been a few embarrassing moments that I'm hesitant to share, but my daughter assures me that it's probably a good idea that I do that. So if you're like me and you don't necessarily live in a throwaway society and you want your things to last a long time, follow me, like, subscribe, whatever else. What?
Turn on the notification
Turn
bell.
on the what else?
Turn on the notification bell and comment down below.
You got it right there. Thank you, sweet pea.
You're welcome.
That's all I got. My next video is going to be explaining some of the mods that I did to this 4Runner that's going to help me get to 500,000 miles. So tune in, get ready for that. Thanks. God bless. You can't laugh at me. Here I go. I'm recording. Okay. All right. I gotta do this. You gotta stop making noise. All right.